Yeah, what's up, my beautiful people out there? Trust you guys are doing good, okay? Welcome back to another beautiful part of today's video, okay? So, if you don't know me yet, rewatch the introduction video. I'm Woya Little and I'm your host in the case of this piano tutorial, okay? So, today we'll be talking about what we call sitting posture and hand positioning, okay? The right way you sit as a pianist or keyboardist. You don't just sit anyhow and you don't just position your hand like village people, okay? So I got you covered. Let's move to the video. Let's dive in. Okay. Let's dive in right now. Now, I will be using this example so that you get it very clear, okay? I will start with the first one. The first one is your back. You can see this one I'm touching here. You can see the explanation is here. Your back should be straight. That is 90 degree. Okay, the way you sit should be 90 degree. Not that you should be 30 degree that you now sit like a quachoko. No. Be free, you understand? Sit in a way that you can play your keyboard successfully and you can easily communicate with your audience and also with the person on stage. You understand? You don't want to play and the person is like, okay, let's cut it off. But because you are facing down, you cannot know that, okay? So sit professionally so that when people see, they'll be like, wow, that guy is very good, that lady is good, okay? So the first thing to note about your sitting posture is your back should be straight 90 degree. If for any reason, let's say maybe 70, 80 degree, not bad. But don't twist like 30 degree, 40 degree, 25 degree, no, okay? So the next one is your hand. You can see this your arm here. Let it be relaxed. I understand that when you start, it's like a driver that is just learning how to drive. The way they will handle the steering will be very, very aggressive. Well, my brother and my sister, take it easy, okay? Take it easy, just relax. So that arm, let it be free. Let it be free. Just do it as if you want to eat. And you know, when you want to eat, you don't take it too serious. Except when you're over hungry, Abby. Okay, so just make it relax. Free the hand very well. Let it be free as if you're playing, okay? Let it be very free. So let this side be free. Don't let this side here be aggressive. Free it, okay? Now the third part is your elbow. Your elbow should be slightly higher than the key, okay? So your elbow, don't just point it down like this. Like when I'm playing. Let me show you my hand now. If let's assume my key is here and my elbow is there, you can see that is too down. So let it, you understand, let it be up a bit so your keys will be down. You understand? Or if for any reason, let's say it's 0 degree to each other, 180 degree to the key. You understand? Sorry for using math. I'm an engineer, so that's why. Okay. So, but let me break it down very well. You can see this picture. You can see it. That is straight line like this, or higher a bit. But don't let this one come too down. It's not looking professional. Okay. And also remember to relax this place here. Don't make it too aggressive. Free it. Don't injure yourself. Okay. So let's look at the fourth one, which is your sitting posture. Now this is your old chair. Don't sit on everywhere. Be free. Don't do as if you're in a barber shop, in a salon. You just sit and you relax conveniently. No, you are doing a job. You're currently busy. Okay, it's a professional work, so to say. So it will be fine. You sit from this middle part to the front, or let's say 3/3 or 2/3 of. 3/4 of the seat or 2/4. That's better. But don't just take the 4/4 everything. No, you will be too relaxed. It will not be free. If possible, shift further a bit, okay, so that you can let your leg touch the ground. You can say the fifth point I said here is your feet on the floor, so that you'll be able to control your external sustain. Okay, so it's very, very important. Don't use a seat that you will not. Your leg will not be touching ground because you have to control your sustain pedal, okay? So you need it, okay? So let's move to the next explanation, okay? So I have a simple illustration here. I'll be using a typeface. You can see the way this guy is sitting. You can see the injury this one will cause now. It's not too good, okay? So don't injure yourself. If you see this way, you will injure other places, okay? So this is a professional way you should sit, but don't sit fully like this. Just half part like this or 2/3 is okay. So it's very, very simple, right? So you guys, and for the hand position, I don't want to exceed 5 minutes. This one is wrong. You're gonna injure yourself this way. This is the right way to do it. Let your hand be free, okay? So if you don't understand it, watch the video better. All right. So thank you so guys for listening. See you guys in the other video. Thanks.